Alright guys, today we lost a combine. I'll explain what happened. So I entered with 15 micros, which is about 1.5 minis. Cause that's what I've been liking to do on my combines, and then taking profits. Like I would have took profits here, and then like here or something. But yeah, no, entered a little too heavy. I entered off the sweep of the highs, and then the change in state. Um, Got a terrible fill. I waited for this candle to close. Entered on this one. Got a terrible fill. This candle ended up auto liquidating our account. So I guess it was more like this. Auto liquidated the account. Um, Unfortunate. So after that, I did buy a new one, as you guys can see, 50,000. But after that, I went to paper. Waited for us to finally get out of this chop. Um, and then what happened, I took this trade. I got in late because I was low-key like not looking at the charts, but I got in on the change of state. I guess I had my Gaussian thing up, so I couldn't tell, but I guess this would have been the change in state right here that we could have took. But from what I saw, if I had the Gaussian on, there was this candle, and then this was the candle that changed in state, but I got in late. I just wanted to test it. Yeah, this trade ended up playing out nice. I broke even, as you guys can see. We took profits right here, and then broke even on this candle. I am thinking about opening a live account to be more disciplined and not take. I guess this was a good trade in a sense. But I just need to be more disciplined overall, and I think if I'm playing with my own money, I think it'll be a lot better. But I'll be still trading these. I'm going to try to get to 5 of these eventually. But I'll also have my live account that I can slowly start hopefully scaling. But yeah, no. Blue was funded today. That's what I get for trading on days like this. Tomorrow I think we actually have a clean day. Hopefully. This is pre-market, so I mean I might trade, but we will see. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow.